The Chair would recognize for an opening statement the Chairman of the Oversight Subcommittee, Dr. Murphy.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. As Chairman of the Oversight and Investigations Committee, I've heard numerous promises from the administration officials that all was well with the health care law. Not true. Either these officials were shockingly unaware of what was happening inside their own agencies or deliberately misleading our committee and the public, hoping this would all suddenly turn around. 2 weeks before enrollment began, HHS's insurance czar told us that consumers could go online, shop, and enroll on October 1st. Not true. We were promised a website where people could easily compare plans and costs. $500 million later, we find the American public have been dumped with the ultimate cash for clunkers, except they had to pay the cash and still got the clunker. Secretary Sebelius has admitted HHS didn't do enough testing, but was her agency warned ahead of time that this was an issue? Were the contractors able to work with each other and complete end-to-end testing? In testimony today, QSSI states that the late decision requiring consumers to register for an account before they could browse for insurance products was a major contributor to the website's October 1 crash and burn. Who made this major decision just before launch? And were they trying to hide from the public the true cost? Now the President is committing untold amounts of money for an undisclosed plan spearheaded by an individual without technology experience to fix this huge problem. But if 55 different contractors couldn't successfully build, test, and run a website, how do we expect anyone else to be able to do this? Given all these questions, Congress should press pause on the tech surge and figure out what went wrong first before throwing good money after bad and forcing the public to use a broken site. In addition to explaining why this disaster happened, we want an explanation on how this system will be fixed, what it will cost, how long it will take. After footing the bill, the American people deserve something that works or start over. Take responsibility, tell us what's wrong, fix it, or try something else. I yield back.